Now we're visualizing that rotation around the y-axis, which is the line x equals 0. To do this in Calcplot 3D, I had to switch this option, which we hadn't talked about before. Do we have y equals f of x, which is what we've been using to say, here's the height at any particular x value, but now we're switching it to say, here's the x value, or the distance away from the vertical axis for any particular y value. So once you click that, then you can enter a function of y here, and our function of y ended up being 3 square root of y, even though we started with y equals x over 3 squared, but we had to solve that to get x as a function of y. And then we're saying, so that's the right edge of the curve here, and then the left edge of the curve is just the y-axis, which is x equals 0. And now we're going y equals 0 to 10, and we're revolving around x equals 0, the y-axis. So we'll show that it's the same shape that we had before, but done in a different orientation. And we can show a representative rectangle, and notice that's going horizontally now. And we can revolve that around to get our differential element, our disk, and imagine that at different locations, and we're kind of sweeping through the y values as we integrate and adding up all those little differential disks. We can also show the washers, actually in this case they're disks, and sweep those around and even show more of them. So that's the way we set it up when we're revolving around the y-axis.